Adopt. Meaning. Adopt means to take something as your own, such as a child, an idea, or a practice. Definition. Adopt is a verb that refers to accepting or starting to use something, or legally taking another person's child as your own. Examples in sentences. 1. The couple decided to adopt a child and give them a loving home. Here, adopt means legally taking a child into their family. 2. Many companies are eager to adopt new technologies for better efficiency. In this sentence, adopt refers to starting to use new innovations. Usage adopt is commonly used in contexts of legal guardianship, embracing new habits, or agreeing to use certain ideas or strategies.
English practice.